providing high-quality machines and service, also promoting the better market and customer competitiveness. We are Akira Seiki. Akira Seiki was founded in 1985, specialized devoting in machine tools manufacturing. Standardized operation process, high precision instrument for quality control, uncompromised inspection, innovative development, enhanced process flow, therefore creating a reliable precision machines. Akira Seiki production line includes HMC series, VMC series, PMC series, TC series, Akira Seiki has more than 40 distributors and service centers around the globe. Our online service system offers real-time, quick service in excluding the problem without delay. Akira Seiki, combined with various countries' certificates of technical patents and practical experience. Also keep researching innovation, maximize the effectiveness of mass production models, and achieve opportunities from the market. Our commitment is based on what you need: integrity, responsibility, uncompromised quality, innovative R&D, and sustainability is our mission statement. In the future, Akira Seiki will take the responsibility to move forward in leading high-precision machining industry. Akira Seiki, your future accomplishment is our vision.